Everyone and welcome, and today we're going to be looking at how to access your statements with your Bank of Canada and primarily done through your mobile app. Now, accessing your statements with RBC is primarily done through the digital banking platforms like online banking and the mobile app. Now we're going to focus on the mobile app. To access your mobile app, the first thing you need to do is open the RBC mobile app and log into your account. Next, tap More in the navigation bar for iOS or menu for Android. Then under Services, tap Statements. Next, let us select the account you want to view the statement for. It's as simple as that. Now, key points. RBC encourages the use of e-statements, which are electronic versions of your paper statements, and these are accessible through the online banking and mobile app. Now, it typically archives the statement for a certain period, like up to 7 years. Always verify that you're on the official RBC website or using the official RBC mobile app to protect your account information. And for you to find out more details, you can simply check out the RBC website because it has tutorials and continuous questions on accessing account statements. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.